Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sierra and I garden in Ohio Zone 5B. I also have over 200 houseplants and countless garden plants. If you're new here, that is me, that is this channel. Today I want to show you guys an amazing haul I got. So today is actually my birthday, and on my birthday I like to visit a bunch of different garden centers that are out of my area and buy some plants. So let me show you guys what I got today, and I'll tell you about the deals that I scored. So let's go ahead and get started. So I actually went to 3 different nurseries and a Lowe's out of town. 2 nurseries I got stuff from. One nursery was a little bit overpriced, but let me show you what I got from the first nursery, because that's where I really scored, like just cleaned up. Okay, so at the first nursery I got all of this. So from here down here to this elephant ear. Okay, so we weren't even planning to stop there, but we happened to see it on the way, and they had a sign up where they had their 4-inch annuals on sale for $1. $1, you guys, just $1, and that included proven winners plants. So you know, I went in there and got as much as I could. So a lot of the stuff I already kind of have growing in my garden or did not need. So I got the things that like I really wanted to have. So I got more colas. This is stuck. This is, let me tell you what it's called. If I could get my life together. Come on. It's stuck in there. These guys are really root bound. There, finally. Okay, Colas Royale Pineapple Brandy. Stunning. I got 2 of those. So you see this here and this there. Gorgeous. And then I got the Proven Winners Macho. Is it Macho? Morado. And this is a type of petunia. Let me pull that out. So there you can see. So there's that. So I got 2 of these. Or did I? I don't see the other one. Yes, I got 2 of these. So I got 2 of these. I'm gonna do some fall-ish planters. I know it's not quite fall yet, but I am getting ready for that. So I got 2 of these copper prints grasses. Let me see if there's any more. Millet. So gorgeous, gorgeous millet. These are gonna look so good in fall containers. And then you've got this colas here, the Color Blaze pineapple. These are gonna be so gorgeous together, you guys. Then I got this amaranth. Now I absolutely love different types of amaranth. This is stunning. This will look good in the ground. I think that's where I'll get the most growth out of it before the end of the season. So this is called Carnival. Stunning. Look how beautiful this is. Like these are my colors. These are my colors. So next we've got the Color Blaze Sedona Sunset, which I already have in my garden and I had to get more. These guys are super tall. They need to be pinched, which I'm gonna do that once I plant them. But let me show you my Color Blaze Sedona over here. So I have it in this pot with my banana, and then I also have it in another pot over here. And the more sun that the Sedona gets, the brighter, the more brilliant the color. So this one's in a little bit more shade because it's blocked out by this elephant ear here. So this one looks a little bit darker, but still it's stunning, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous plant to add to your garden, you guys. So pretty. Okay, now let's head back. I got 2 of the Carnival amaranth, and then I got 2 of the, did I do 2 Color Blaze? I can't remember. I don't think so. Yeah, I didn't do 2 of the Color Blaze, but I did 2 of the Color Blaze Newly Noir. I think these are stunning. Look at the color. Gorgeous dark foliage. It's gonna be beautiful in a fall container, you guys. Just beautiful. And then I got some Cleome, which I tried to grow this year from seed. It didn't quite work out, and I love Cleome, so it's gonna go to the cut flower space. It's gorgeous. Make sure I can show you guys, and let me see the tag for the exact variety. So Senorita Rosalita, gorgeous. Can you believe that these were $1 each? Like, this, you cannot find a Proven Winners plant for $1 anywhere, you guys. You just can't. Look at this. Stunning. This needs to be pinched a bit, but it looks really, really good. It's just so straight up and down, so it's best to pinch these and then allow these growths here to kind of branch out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, and then I have my other petunia here. This is the Machu Morado. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is getting ready to rain here, so I need to hurry up. And this one's stuck. Okay. Here's my other right here, Color Blaze Noir. And then I got this elephant ear here. It's called Distant Memory. Gorgeous. Okay, so let me show you what this looks like. Gorgeous. I got this plant for 50% off. Stunning dark foliage. The new foliage comes out green, beautiful. The purple veins, and then as the leaves age, they turn dark. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And the leaves are so big. Like, these are huge, huge, huge leaves. Gorgeous, so beautiful. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got from that garden center. I also have some plants that I got from Hertz Gardens, and I'm gonna share those with you guys right now because it is getting ready to rain. Look at it. Everything is blowing. My elephant ears. Woo. Okay, time to get in the house. Okay, so here are the plants from my Hertz Garden haul. I got this little ficus here, mistletoe ficus, and it is so cute, so cute. It looks very similar to the Ficus triangularis, and ooh, almost dropped it. But the leaves are more rounded. They're triangular, but they're more rounded edges. And I've been seeing this little ficus online and have fallen in love, and I was happy to find it at Hertz Gardens for like, I think it was like $9 maybe, or a little less, pretty cheap. And then I got this Sunbright begonia now, Sunbright red begonia, and I'm not sure, at least like when I look this up online, it doesn't really look like this, the Sunbright. You kind of, the pictures that come up are begonias that you would commonly see, you know, in outdoor planters. They kind of look like the angel wing begonias. So I don't know what this is going to end up looking like if it does, you know, begin to look like those types of begonias that you typically see in the outdoor planters, but we'll see. I thought it looked so cute, and I like how the leaves are kind of hanging down like dog ears, and it's got a few babies down there. So hopefully it will continue on looking like this, because that's why I bought it. I think it's really cute. And then I got a Super Bum Anthurium. So cute. I've wanted one of these. I think they are gorgeous and stunning. I love how their roots look very much like orchid roots. And this, like, that root is like pinching onto a leaf. That's interesting. But I also love how, you know, you'll buy a plant and it comes with other plants. So there is a fern there, there's some moss, and then bigger portion of fern over here. I love that. I have another plant that has a little fern in it and it's so cute. Okay, and then here is this. This is an elephant ear. This is Xanthosema lime zinger, and it is so cute. And if you guys don't know, the elephant ear is kind of like it's like a blanket term for 3 different families of plants. So you've got the Xanthosema, I hope that's how you say it. Then you've got Colocasia, and then you've got Alocasia under that elephant ear umbrella. I have a blog post on this. I'll link it down in the description if you want to read more about elephant ears and how to take care of them. But this guy is gorgeous. I love this foliage. Let me see if I can make it like, put it in the light. Gorgeous. So beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, so let's put that one back. I have one more plant that I grabbed, and it is this Ficus umbellata, and this is probably one of my favorite ficuses based off of just looks. I have another one, and it is right here, and it's gorgeous as well. The reason I got a second one is because this one had much bigger foliage, a thicker trunk, and I really want to have another one in another space in this room here. So I think this guy I just had to have him, and he was only I think like 15 bucks, which to me is not bad. I spend about that much on a plant, just depending on what it is. But he is in this teeny little 6-inch pot, and he is huge. So I'll have a repotting job here soon. I'll probably do this today. And this guy, look at that. Look at those roots. He's ready. If you got roots coming out of the side looking like worms, that means you're ready for a repot. So yeah, I have him sitting in this little pot right here because it's heavier, and if I put him on the ground, he'll just kind of tip over. But this ficus is so easygoing compared to the fiddle leaf fig. There's mine in the corner. Now, my fiddle leaf fig, I have not had too many issues with it. I mostly just ignore it, leave it alone, water it like every few weeks, and it does not fuss too much. There are times when I'll get yellow leaves, or, you know, we had a bout with spider mites a couple months ago, but I mean, for the most part, I have not had as much trouble as others have had with their fiddle leaf fig. As far as the umbellata, the only issue I've had with this plant is he seemed to keep thrips for a while, so I was fighting that, and I think he got those because I got him last summer from Groovy Plants, and then I left him out on the screen and porch for the summer, and he was fine, did well out in the summer, and then when I brought him in, he had thrips. So I'm thinking he got it while he was out there. But I mean, he's doing great so far. His trunk is getting thicker, but I wanted something that was a little bit more mature, could give me that bigger look, that more twistier look. I don't know if you've looked up this ficus before, but I don't know how they do it, but they can kind of get the trunk to twist around, almost kind of like how you see the spiral bamboo. So I'm kind of hoping to get a little dynamic out of this plant like that. So yeah, so that is my haul from Hertz Gardens, and then another garden center here in Ohio, which I don't remember the name of. I apologize. Oh, and I did get another plant the other day, which is still considered like a birthday thing. So I got this whale fin, which is so cute. Just got one leaf, that's how, you know, they're mostly sold just one leaf. But this guy is stunning. I picked the biggest leaf I could find, and hopefully he'll start making some babies soon. So yeah, that is my birthday plant haul. And I'm super excited, and I can't wait to get these guys potted up and in their spots. I have a secret weapon for this winter time, and it is this whole house humidifier. I got this for $1 on an auction site here in Ohio. $1 freaking dollar. And it was in great condition. I've sterilized it. I bought like the water conditioning stuff, and it works just fine. It's on, I think, well, you can't see because the sun is so bright, but it's on. And yeah, I'm so excited. It doesn't need to be on because it's already kind of humid in the summer, but the winter time, I am going to be prepared, you guys, prepared. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I will link the blog post in the description if you want to read that about the elephant ears and elephant ear care. I do have a lot of other videos about elephant ears. If you're new here and you need some help, there are a bunch of videos. Go check them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.